Go say make God punish girls wey get small nyash.
Allah.
I don't know. Or sometimes they be me like 2x2. May just dey curve. I don't know why girl go dey like road safety. You go just dey like this. You know good.
Big nyash or small nyash? Which one will you like?
For me, I go say make God punish girls wey get small nyash.
You were not informed too. Continue.
Allah.
I don't know. Or sometimes they be me like 2x2. Cause how girl go just dey, you know, get nyash. Then they do gymming for big nyash.
No be BBL.
No be even BBL. Gym, I prefer make you do gym get big nyash than BBL. So all those silicone and all those fake something where they use they do nyash for there. I no like am. But if you want do the fake one or for surgery, you know, consign me. Now you want do, now you know what thing you want for yourself. Go do am. But me, I prefer make girl do gym, get the big nyash than the surgery. Then they do squatting now. You get one man where they do. I know they like watching video. They do squatting. If you see the man nyash, he go dey pain you. Me,
man get that kind
get that kind nyash, and some girl no can get the nyash.
Don't eat unripe fruit.
But you know if you blame them now.
I know say na their nature. But if you still do gym, take get big nyash. Even if you know be may just big small. May just dey curve. I don't know why girl go dey like road safety. You go just dey like this. You know good.